Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, coming with running boards down below, as well as the FX4 off-road package, giving you off-road suspension and skid plates, as well as the Sport Appearance package, giving you some unique accents, rims, and otherwise. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, phone and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having a My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, Bluetooth phone controls, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck. Above that, you have your camera view again with your forward-facing camera, hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut-off. Moving above that, you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as a heated and air-conditioned front seat. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode as part of the FX4 package. Moving on to the right, you have your tow haul, eco, and sport mode. And moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment for more storage. Moving down below, you have this compartment with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.